If you're passionate about creating stunning nail art designs, having the right tools is essential. The key to achieving those intricate details and flawless finishes lies in a good set of nail art brushes. In today's video, we'll review the best nail art brushes on the market. Whether you're a beginner or a professional nail artist, these products will take your designs to the next level. Let's dive into the top 5 nail art brushes and discover which one suits your needs the best. Kicking off our list at number 1, Beetles nail art brushes. The Beetles nail art brushes are a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their nail art game. Known for their high-quality design and versatility, this set provides all the tools you need to create intricate and detailed nail art designs. These brushes are designed for both professionals and beginners, offering precision, ease of use, and durability. Whether you're painting fine lines, creating floral patterns, or adding delicate details, the Beetles nail art brushes will make the process smoother. Key features: the Beetles nail art brushes set includes a variety of brush sizes and types, catering to different nail art needs. It features both short and long bristles for versatile designs and a comfortable grip for easy control. The set contains round, flat, and detail brushes, allowing you to create everything from thin lines to bold, thick strokes. Each brush is designed with sturdy synthetic bristles that maintain their shape and texture even after multiple uses. Benefits and usage: these brushes are perfect for creating fine lines, dots, gradients, and other intricate nail art designs. The variety of brush types allows for precise detailing, giving you the flexibility to experiment with different techniques. Simply dip the brush into your nail polish or gel and begin creating. Whether you're adding intricate details or creating bold strokes, these brushes are designed to work seamlessly with both gel and regular nail polish. Usability: the Beetles nail art brushes are user-friendly and easy to handle. Their ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip even during long nail art sessions. The brushes are lightweight and easy to maneuver, allowing for precise and detailed designs. The variety in the set means that whether you're a beginner or an advanced artist, you'll find the right brush for any project. Durability: these brushes are built to last. The synthetic bristles are not only durable but also easy to clean. After each use, you can wipe them clean with a little acetone or gentle brush cleaner. With proper care, these brushes will retain their shape and performance, allowing you to create beautiful designs for a long time. The high-quality materials ensure that they won't shed or lose their effectiveness over time. In the second spot, we have Born Pretty brush set. Born Pretty is a brand synonymous with high-quality nail products, and their brush set is no exception. Designed with precision and versatility in mind, this set of brushes is perfect for creating detailed nail art, from intricate floral patterns to bold graphic designs. The Born Pretty brush set is ideal for both beginners and professionals looking to add a personal touch to their nail art. Key features: the Born Pretty brush set includes 12 brushes in various sizes, making it a complete solution for a wide range of nail art techniques. It features a mix of fine-tip brushes for detailed work and larger brushes for creating broader strokes. The handles are made of high-quality wood, offering both comfort and control. The synthetic bristles are soft yet firm, ensuring precise application. Benefits and usage: whether you're doing fine lines, creating geometric patterns, or experimenting with abstract designs, this set is versatile enough to handle any style. The brushes are perfect for both gel and regular nail polish, giving you the flexibility to choose your preferred medium. To use, simply dip the brush into your chosen polish and start painting directly onto the nail. With the wide variety of brushes, you can create everything from tiny details to bold strokes. Usability: the Born Pretty brush set is designed for easy use. The long, slim handles provide a comfortable and secure grip, making it easy to control your brush as you create your designs. The variety of brush sizes makes it a great choice for anyone looking to experiment with different nail art techniques. The set includes brushes that are ideal for everything from dotting to line work, making it a versatile addition to any nail artist's toolkit. Durability, these brushes are made with high-quality synthetic bristles that maintain their shape even after multiple uses. The wooden handles are sturdy, offering a good balance between strength and lightness. With proper care, these brushes can last for a long time, allowing you to create beautiful designs without worrying about them losing their effectiveness. Regular cleaning ensures that the brushes stay in good shape, so they'll continue to perform at their best. And finally, at number 5, we have Nail Harmony Art Brushes. Nail Harmony is a leading brand in the nail industry, and their nail art brushes are no exception. Known for their precision and high-quality design, Nail Harmony brushes are used by professionals worldwide. This set includes a variety of brushes that allow for fine detailing, making it perfect for those who want to create intricate nail art designs with ease. Key features: the Nail Harmony art brushes are made with high-quality synthetic fibers that offer exceptional precision and durability. The brushes come in a range of sizes, from very fine tips for detailed artwork to broader brushes for larger designs. The ergonomic handles are comfortable to hold, providing control and stability when creating detailed patterns and designs. Benefits and usage: these brushes are ideal for both beginners and advanced nail artists. The fine-tipped brushes are perfect for intricate designs such as lacework, floral patterns, or geometric shapes, while the larger brushes can be used for sweeping strokes or background coverage. These brushes work well with both gel and regular polish, making them suitable for a variety of nail art styles. Usability: Nail Harmony art brushes are designed for ease of use. The brushes are lightweight and comfortable to hold, ensuring that you can create detailed designs without straining your hand. The fine bristles provide excellent control, allowing you to achieve precision with every stroke. Whether you're creating fine lines or bold strokes, these brushes give you the flexibility to create a range of designs. Durability: Nail Harmony art brushes are made to last, thanks to their high-quality synthetic bristles. The brushes maintain their shape and performance, even after frequent use. With proper care, they will continue to work just as well over time, making them a worthwhile investment for both professionals and hobbyists. The easy-to-clean bristles ensure that these brushes stay in top condition for long-lasting use. Finding the right nail art brushes is the first step toward creating stunning, professional-looking designs right at home. Whether you're just starting your nail art journey or you're a seasoned pro, these top 5 brush sets offer the precision, variety, and durability needed to take your creations to the next level. From detailed floral patterns to bold, geometric designs, there's a brush set here for every style. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more product reviews and tips to help you perfect your nail art skills.